The Kono 20-inch Spinner Carry-On Suitcase is a perfect travel companion, offering a compact design that maximizes your packing capacity while adhering to most airline carry-on size restrictions. Constructed from a lightweight yet sturdy ABS shell, this suitcase is both scratch and pressure resistant, ensuring durability and protection for your belongings. Its adjustable 3-level aluminum telescopic handle makes maneuvering through crowded spaces a breeze, complemented by soft side handles for easy lifting. Featuring a TSA-approved lock, this suitcase provides enhanced security, while the smooth YKK zipper and 4 multi-directional spinner wheels ensure effortless mobility. Inside, the suitcase boasts 2 fully lined compartments with packing straps and a zipper mesh pocket that help you stay organized during your travels. With its chic nude and rose gold finish, the Kono suitcase is not only practical but also stylish, making it a great gift option for family and friends.